Ever wondered what exactly happens to that delicious meal you just consumed? How does the human body transform food into energy? Well, prepare to be enlightened. The process, though complex, begins in a very familiar place, the stomach. Imagine a bustling factory, tirelessly churning and grinding. That's your stomach, a key player in the intricate ballet of digestion. Here, food and drinks are transformed into a semi-liquid slurry called chyme. This transformation is made possible by the gastric secretions that the stomach produces, an impressive 2 to 2.5 liters daily. These secretions are a cocktail of hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen, gastric lipase, mucus, intrinsic factor, and gastrin. The hydrochloric acid, courtesy of the parietal cells, plays a crucial role. It activates the pepsinogen, converting it into pepsin, a protease that kickstarts protein digestion. The gastric lipase, although less active than its pancreatic counterpart, contributes to the processing of dietary triglycerides, especially ones composed of medium and short-chain fatty acids. But here's a fun fact. Every time you eat, you're also ingesting microorganisms. Fear not, the acidic environment in the stomach, coupled with the proteolytic enzymes, significantly reduces the concentration of these microorganisms. However, in certain cases, some may escape into the intestine, increasing the risk of pathogenic infection. Now, the stomach is a smart organ. It has built-in safeguards to prevent any mishaps. The lower esophageal sphincter keeps gastric contents from flowing back into the esophagus, while the pyloric sphincter regulates the exit of contents, preventing chyme from backflowing into the stomach. The stomach is a master mixer. It constantly churns food and releases it in small quantities into the small intestine through the pyloric sphincter. This release is regulated by the presence of acid and nutrients in the duodenum, which stimulate the hormone GIP to slow gastric emptying. So, how long does all this take? Well, most of a liquid meal empties from the stomach within 1 to 2 hours, while a solid meal takes around 2 to 3 hours. The type of food matters too. Carbohydrates leave the stomach most rapidly, followed by protein, fat, and fibrous food. In summary, the stomach is a marvel of biological engineering. It takes food, mixes it with gastric secretions to create chyme, and then slowly releases this into the small intestine. All the while, it keeps itself safe from backflow and regulates the exit of its contents. And let's not forget, it also helps keep our bodies safe from ingested microorganisms. So, the next time you sit down to a meal, spare a thought for your stomach, the tireless factory that powers your body.